guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't, please subscribe. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make beans pancakes. Did you see that beautiful picture at the beginning? Now this is how you achieve it. I'm gonna start by adding our peeled beans into our blender, and we're going to add a little bit of milk just to get it going. So now we're going to add the rest of our milk, our eggs, sugar, and salt. And now we're just going to blend. All measurements will be in the description box below. So now we're going to add our baking powder and our vanilla extract. And now we're going to add our oil. I use olive oil, extra virgin, but you can use vegetable oil or canola oil, whichever one you prefer, that's fine. Now we're going to add our batter into a mixing bowl and we're going to whisk. We're going to whisk for about 1 to 2 minutes just to get the air incorporated into the batter. So now we're going to fry our pancakes. I used vegetable oil to fry them, about a tablespoon for each pancake. So you would fry this like you would fry a regular pancake. Make sure it's on medium heat so it doesn't burn, because the batter is a bit lighter than your regular pancake. You wait till the bubbles start forming on the top. That's when you know it's time for you to flip it. Be very careful. Like I said, it's a bit thinner than a regular pancake batter, so there's no flour, it's gluten free, so just be really careful when you flip it. And voila, beans pancakes. Look at how beautiful it looks. Let me tell you guys, it is delicious and super fluffy. I am so happy with this recipe. It is healthy, there's no flour, and it's gluten friendly. This is perfect for my new health goals and I am loving it. Try this today and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and if it's your first time, welcome. And do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.